In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an online course website using just WordPress and one plugin. Coming up. Yeah, when it comes to building online course websites, sometimes it can be very complicated because we think about all these plugins and themes and everything that we need to mush together to make an online course website. So what happened is a few days ago, I was just playing around with the Gutenberg editor, which is the default editor in WordPress. I thought to myself, I wonder if I can just build a bare bones website using the Gutenberg editor and LearnDash. So to my surprise, actually, LearnDash supports Gutenberg. Now, let me show you what I mean by this. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go in and start building our website using the Gutenberg editor. So now, before I get started, I'd like to mention that what I did ahead of time is I went in and I installed the plugin. So here it is. This is the LearnDash plugin. So ideally for this to work, we need to have some courses in there. So I'm going to come over here to courses, and you can see here I have my first course. And all I've done here, in fact, you know what? Let me just show you how I created the course and just show you how easy it is to use LearnDash. So over here on the right, you just click on Add New, and we are just going to call this My Second Course. But of course, you can name this course whatever you want. There we go. So that's the name of the course. Now we need to add the course content. So here I'm just going to go to Lorem 2. This is where I get my dummy text. So I'm just going to highlight a bunch of text here, copy it and paste it. So this is going to act as my course description. And then we also need to add an image that goes with this course. Right. So let me just break this. There's too many paragraphs here. So I think that looks better. There we go. All right. So here we need to add an image that goes with our course. So I'm going to come over here to Documents, Set Featured Image, and I'm going to upload an image here from my computer. So I'm going to come over here to Select Files. All right. So I've just gone into my computer and I found an image that I'm going to use for my course. So here's the image right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Open. And now that's going to be uploaded to my media library. I'm going to click Set Featured Image. All right, so now that I've added my image here, the next step is to add all my lessons. So I'm going to come over here to the builder and I'm going to click here on New Lesson. And I'm just going to add Lesson 1, Add Lesson. And then I'm going to add another one. And this one here is going to be Lesson 2, Add Lesson. And then I'm just going to hit Update. Right, so now that I have Lesson 1 and Lesson 2, these are the titles of my lessons. Now I'm going to go in and add the content to my lessons. So I'm going to click here on Edit. So here I am going to paste my video, which I got here from my YouTube channel. And I also need to add some description text to go with that. So I'm just going to copy just a little bit of this text here. And notice that I'm actually using the Gutenberg editor. Okay, so I've just pasted my description text for this lesson. Hit Update. Great. Right, so let's do Lesson 2. I'm going to go back to the builder here, go to Lesson 2. Let's hit Update first, just in case we end up missing our content here. So I'm going to click on Edit. Right, so here on Lesson 2, I am going to just use the same video here. But of course, in your case, you want to go in and add your proper video. Right, so I've added my video in here. Now let's add our text. And I'm just going to add some description text to my lesson. All right, so we created a lesson and we also have 2 lessons and 2 courses. Okay, so how does this look now when I start designing it on the normal Gutenberg editor? Right, so let me show you how that would look like. So let's go back right to the beginning, back to WordPress here. Okay, so here in WordPress, if I go to all pages, all we're going to see is just the home page and then the privacy and the sample page, right? Which we can, of course, get rid of. So we need to decide what pages we need on our website. So let's go ahead and create a My Courses page, or in fact, let's start with the home page. So over here, I can hit Edit and let's see what sort of support we have here from LearnDash in terms of the integration with Gutenberg. So what I normally do is I add a / and then just type in LearnDash. Okay, so now you can see everything that we need here that works with LearnDash. So here we have a LearnDash student, we have LearnDash login, we have LearnDash profile, we have all these things that we can add to our site. So let's say here on this main page, we want to show the course list. So all I have to do is to click on LearnDash course list. And now you can see my first course and my second course. Okay, let's hit update. Update one more time. Right, so back over here, we can do a quick view of this page. I'm going to open this in a new tab. And now you can see we have the courses. I know it's not well designed or anything, but this is just to show you that you can have your bare bones structure of LearnDash working with your Gutenberg editor. And let's say I go here to my second course. Notice what happens. I now have this page. And if I scroll down, it has my lessons. It has lesson 1, it has lesson 2. And if I click on lesson 1, there we go. It's going to take me to my lesson page. Now I can go to my next lesson. I can mark things as complete. So this is a bare bones setup just using Gutenberg. Now let's go back here and let's take a look at what else we can do. So let's say you want to create a login page. So all you have to do is to come over here, or it says new page, and we're just going to call this page login. I'll publish that, publish one more time. And then over here now, I can add my / LearnDash, and I can add my LearnDash login. So you can see right now it says logout. If I hit update and let's preview it. Right, so this is our site. If I click here on logout, it logs me out of the site. And then you can see here it says login. I can click on that and that takes me to my login page. So that's how quickly we can go in and set up our login page. So let's go back to the dashboard here. In fact, I'm logged out, so I need to log back in. So what other pages can we create? So again, let's come over here to new page. So let's just call this page dashboard. Right, so for this one here, we're going to add a / LearnDash, and we can add LearnDash profile. And now this shows us the profile of the student. So here you can see I have access to 2 courses, and these are the actual courses here. So again, I can hit publish. Publish one more time. Now let's go back. All right, so now that we've added a bit of content to our pages, let's take a look at all our pages here and add them onto our menu. All right, so these are our pages. We have the home, dashboard, and login. So now if I come over here to my widgets, to my menu, I can add these pages that I've just created onto my menu. So it's the dashboard and the login. There we go. I'm going to save that. Right, so what else we can do here with the LearnDash is to come over here to our settings. And I'm just going to do a quick update here by adding the focus mode. And I'm just going to change this to 1180 as my width and then hit save. Now we're going to take a quick look and see what this looks like with now focus mode activated. Okay, so I'm just going to go to my main website now. And we can see here now we have dashboard and login. So if I click here on dashboard, it takes me to my dashboard and it shows me all my courses on my site. And if I click here on login, it just tells me I'm logged out, but I can, log in if I'm actually logged out. Okay, so on the home page here, this is pretty much showing our courses. And as I mentioned, you can even go further and design this page and make it really look awesome. All right, so I'm going to go to my second course here. So as you can see, when I scroll down, this is my course description, and this has my lesson 1 and lesson 2. So if I click here on lesson 1, notice what happens. This focus mode actually works on a bare bones Gutenberg editor. So you don't really need a theme for this to work. But as you can see, it pretty much works here. It shows you all your steps. All my content is in there. And let's say I mark this as complete. You can see here 50% complete, and that looks really good. And I can also, collapse this so that I have more real estate here on my video. So as you can see, this is just using the Gutenberg editor, bare bones, nothing added. And I think this is, a way that you could create your LearnDash course websites easily without investing in a page builder. But I do need to stress the point that having a page builder is much better because you have more tools to use to customize your website and really make it look awesome. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you guys think. And if you have any questions, leave your questions in the comments box below. And if you do buy LearnDash using my affiliate link, I will give you access to my LearnDash Mastery course, the course that teaches you how to design online course websites from scratch. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Take care.